My dear younger generation, we are talking about personality development. We are discussing on a point on human psychology. Generally, in all organizations or in master degree courses, engineering courses, bachelor courses, commerce courses, all where, whenever you go to personality development area, syllabus, we are taught on self-assessment, self-appraisal, self-evaluation, self-esteem, self-awareness, and everything based on self. But we will go to all these points one by one because I have enough time. I can go on telling you for the younger generation. But I am putting one important question to every younger man. Is it not a man is a worried personality who is always worried about his safety, future, status, family, health, everything? I am putting question, is man is not a worried personality who is always worried about his health, future, family, children, house, health, safety, everything. Basically, he is a worried person. Then, how to go for self-assessment or anything, unless otherwise, we remove this particular worry from our mind. We have to be very self-esteem, positive thing, everything is okay. But this basic character of man has to be removed. The worry has to be removed so that all these self-assessment theories are going to work in us. What are the way outs? What are the remedies? Through human psychological theory, how we can do this. This topic is a new approach, what I am telling you. It's a very interesting one. Some may like it, some may not like it tomorrow. Tomorrow we will take up this point, how to overcome this basic point of again human instinct 1 that has to be discussed. Then we will go for self-assessment theory for improving our personality. Okay? Have a good day. Till then, go on thinking.